analyze. You're going to analyze, then you go to correlate, then you go to bivariate.
If we put all of these in here,
I'm going to take
it's
this
going to
out.
tell us what the correlation is relative to everything else that I put in the mix. So I might just want to go, okay, what about just these two things without the influence of anything else? Okay, then I can get the partials. And that's going to be something you kind of go back and do later. Like, you're going to start with this most basic level first, just to see what's worth working with. So let's do it again. We'll do correlate, bivariate. Oops, now it's all still in there again. Let me take all these out. Okay, and let's take family and plug it in. And let's just pick some of those attitudinal variables. Excuse me, that way we don't get such a huge table. Click OK. And now this one's much more manageable, okay? If you notice, like, you can really see the line on the diagonal that I was talking about.
Wow, how many variables?
A lot.
And, again, pick which way you're going to go. You're either looking at the top half, you know, the top right-hand half, or you're looking at the bottom half of the diagonal. Because these are mirrors of one another, and you don't need all of it. So decide which way you personally want to look at it, because it does not matter one bit. And now we can look and see everything that's going to correlate with having a family member or not, and whether it's significant. It's all going to be in that first column for us. So the attitudinal variable about institutionalization of the mentally ill, of substance abuse being a factor, it being a matter of weak will, function, isolation, genetics, and fear. Everything except danger. Isn't that interesting? So whether you had a family member or not, we answered the dangerousness question the same way. Okay, so that was the only thing that didn't co-vary with family membership. Now, you can actually look, this is when we would start leading toward a factor analysis. Okay, and a factor analysis is where we're trying to develop an instrument. And this is where, and it doesn't necessarily mean this, okay? But if we see a lot of our variables correlating with one another on that attitudinal piece, most of the time that's a pretty good sign. It's like, okay, oh, and whatever I was trying to tap into here, since there were variations, since there were patterns in the way, there's 300 people who responded to these attitudinal variables.